This message has been transmitted at the request of the United States government. This is a civil emergency message. There has been strange sightings of aircraft just outside of Earth's atmosphere. These sightings have been confirmed by radars across the United States. The government has issued this warning to keep you updated on this event. These aircraft are not hostile at this time, but if these aircraft are hostile and do attack people, are advised to shelter in place, close and lock all doors and windows, turn off all lights and air conditioning units, do not go outside. It's for your own safety.